Turn dead dirt into fertile soil. This charcoal method works wonders. Taking care of your plants doesn't always require expensive, store-bought fertilizers. In fact, you likely have several ingredients at home that can work wonders for your garden. These 12 easy-to-make homemade fertilizers can give your plants the boost they need using materials you already have at home. 1. Banana peel. Fertilizer banana. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which are essential for strong root growth and vibrant blooms. How to make it? Chop up banana peels and bury them in the soil near your plants. Alternatively, soak chopped banana peels in water for a few days, then use the water to irrigate your plants. 2. Coffee grounds. Fertilizer used. Used coffee grounds rich in nitrogen, which is vital for plant growth. They also improve soil texture and attract earthworms. How to make it? Sprinkle coffee grounds directly onto the soil or on your plants. Mix it into compost to create nutrient-rich organic matter for your garden. 3. Eggshell fertilizer. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium and micronutrients, which help strengthen plant cell walls and prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. How to make it? Crush the eggshells and scatter them around the base of your plants. You can also blend the eggshells with water and use the mixture to water your plants. 4. Fish tank. Water. If you have a fish tank, the nutrient-rich water can be a great fertilizer. It's packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Essential for healthy plant growth. How to make it? Simply use the fish tank water to water your plants, making sure the water is well filtered before application. 5. Epsom salt. Fertilizer. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium and sulfur, both of which are crucial for chlorophyll production and overall plant health. How to make it? Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants every 4 to 6 weeks. You can also sprinkle Epsom salt directly around the base of your plants. 6. Molasses. Fertilizer. How to make it? Simply use the water from your fish tank to water your plants every few weeks. 12. Yogurt. Fertilizer. Yogurt is a great source of calcium and protein, which helps strengthen plants and encourage healthy growth. How to make it? Dilute. Dilute plain yogurt with water, about 1 part yogurt to 5 parts water, and use it to water your plants once every month. Homemade fertilizers are a fantastic way to nurture your plants without the use of harmful chemicals. The ingredients for these fertilizers are likely sitting in your kitchen or compost bin right now. By using these simple, natural options, you can enhance the growth of your plants, improve soil health, and enjoy a more sustainable garden.